Hello everyone, welcome to this complete beginner-friendly tutorial on Introduction to Web Design. In this tutorial, you will learn the basics of web design, WordPress, hosting, and beginner's tips. These are the things that you are going to learn on this particular tutorial. I will show you step by step the things you need to get started in WordPress web design. I will also show you the WordPress dashboard, the WordPress environment, and the hosting and the tips, the things that you need to get started. I will also educate you on what web design is all about and what hosting is all about and what WordPress is all about. All right. Before then, we are going to know what exactly this web design is all about. You have been hearing about web design. Most people do not know exactly what web design is all about. Now, I will tell you that web design is the process of creating websites that are visually appealing, easy to use, and accessible on the internet. Most of all, 80 something percent of the websites you are seeing on internet today, most of designed using WordPress, or most of them were built with through web design process. All right. Now, I will also show you about WordPress and its environment. But before then, we need to know what exactly this WordPress is all about. You have been hearing about WordPress, and that word WordPress is something that sounds so familiar. Most people that have not even entered into the WordPress itself, but they have been hearing about the name WordPress. Now, I will tell you that WordPress is a content management system that allows users to create websites without coding. It includes theme, plugins, and a dashboard. WordPress is something that gives you that access to customize. It also gives you that access to combine things together. It also gives you the opportunity to put things together and put them in one particular place. That is the work of WordPress. All right. Now, the structure, there are things that you need to have in mind, or things that you need to also attach to what you are doing in order to get a complete website. Now, what's one of the things, like I mentioned earlier, is themes, plugins, and a dashboard. All right. So after that, you also need what is called hosting. So in this video, I will also show you the list of hosting and the recommended one that you should quick start with as a beginner. I'll also show you the environment and how it looks like. All right. Now, but before then, in case you don't know what is hosting, web hosting is where your website files are stored so people can access them online. All right. So when you have an article on your website, or you have images on your website, other things you have on your website, those things are in a particular place. Like you have your pictures, you have your videos on your phone. That phone that you save those things are something in other way called hosting, because it stores all your files, all the files that allows your phone to operate. So that is what hosting is all about. Hosting gives you the opportunity to store your website or your website files. All right. So I will also show you the tips that you need to get in mind before jumping into web design. But before then, let's quickly move to hosting. All right. For hosting, we have many types of hosting. There are a lot of good host companies that you can register and get started. Now, this is a Hostinger. I can recommend Hostinger for you. because Hostinger is very easy and the amount is very economical. All right, so you can go to your web browser and search for hosting. This is what you must get before you can start your web design. You need to have a hosting platform. So this is Hostinger. They have very affordable plans that you can quick start with. All right, so these people, the activities here is awesome and they have low price. All right, now if you check here now, you can start with let's call it $2 per month. All right, and in that you get 2 months free. All right, for hosting. So if you are someone that is starting new, you will just quickly go to hostinger.com, or you use the link in my description. Then you need to create account by clicking here, create account or sign up. Then after that, you click on get started. So when you click on get started, you will see their plans. All right, now you will see their plans. This is their plan starting from 1.99 US dollar to 6.99 US dollar. So as a beginner, you can start with this one. This most popular, you can start with this one. So how you can start with it, after you must have created your account, you click on choose plan. Okay, if you click on choose plan, they will require you to put in your credit or your debit information. So when you put your debit information and you have money in your account, then they will debit you and give you access to host your website. Now in this plan, you can have you can create up to 50 websites. As you can see here, you can create up to 50 websites and 5 Node.js web apps. You can also have 50 GB of world's fastest NVMe storage, and also 5 mailbox per website free for 1 year. All right, so these are the benefits that you can get for this particular one. Then if you also have much money, you can get this cloud startup. This one will allow you to create up to 100 websites. All right, so now we are now assume that you have known everything about Hostinger. This is how you can launch your Hostinger. Now inside the Hostinger, it will look like this. Okay, after you must have successfully created an account and you must have successfully choose your plan. The inside it, the cPanel looks like this. Okay, so having known this, then let's move forward to WordPress. After you must have gotten your hosting, the next thing you are going to do, you will be able to install your WordPress from this hosting. All right, then in my next video, I will show you how to install WordPress to enable you have access to your WordPress through your C. All right, so after you must have successfully launched your WordPress, the dashboard looks like this. This is the dashboard for WordPress. Okay, in case you have not seen that WordPress dashboard before, this is how it looks like. Okay, this is where you combine all your activities, all the things that you need to make your website look okay, all the things that you need for your project. This is where you see everything. This is where you combine everything to get your project ready. The new user on WordPress, there are a lot of things. All these menus you are seeing here, they have different functions. Okay, they function in different ways, and when you start working on your project, you will also see a lot of menu here depending on the kind of project you are working on. All right, now this dashboard is to show you the full dashboard of the WordPress, the full items that you have or the full menu you have on the WordPress. Why post here is where you create your post, like blog post or your articles, this is where you can create it. And if you want to see all the posts that you have created, then you click on all. If you want to create new post, then you click on add post. If you want to create a category for your post, then you click on categories. If you want to give your post a tag, this is where you can get it. Then for media is where all the images you use on your project are being stored. If you want to view all the images you have used for your project, you can find it here by clicking on image, by clicking on media. If you click on media, it will come out like this. If you hover on media, you will see library and add media file in case you want to add new media. So if you click on the library, you will see all the images you have used for the project that you are working on. Images is, for example, if you don't know what is images are, for example, I will show you this now. Now this is our project, okay? So if you want to know what is images are these images you are seeing here. All these images you are seeing here. So that is what images is all about. Now, if you want to know the area that you can find all these images that are being used on this project, if you want to see all the images, this is where you will see all the images. You can see it on media. All right. So the next one is pages. Pages are something like menu. Like for example here, let's check this one here. For example, I will show you what pages is all about. All right. Pages are all these things you are seeing here. These are the pages, all these titles. All these titles is what is called page. Okay. Now known that, the next one is comment. This comment is where you see all the comments on your page or on your post or your article. If you're a blogger, like for example, if you check this one here, let's see if we have one, if you have any of our article here that contain comments. So for example, this one here now, this one, I think this one has a comment. Okay, I will show you. As you can see, this comment, this one has comment. Let's see, this one has comment. Okay, this one has comment. I will show you the comment. Now this one has two comments. If you check here now, you will see two comments. This one has two comments. Okay. Now, if a user want to comment on your article as a blogger, okay, then this is where the user will comment. So if the user comment from here, this is comment. Okay. If user comment from here, write something here. Okay. Then this is where you are going to see it. You are going to see it here to appear here. Have you seen it? It's going to appear here. That's where you see the comment. Then appearance. Then under appearance, you will see what is called dim. You know what is dim? Dim is something that holds your website. Something that gives your website a structure. All right. Like for example, if you check here, now, we want to view this website. For example, we want to view this website. Now, this thing that hold this website like this is what is called dim. All right, is what is called dim. Then for this one, you see this particular one, this website now, there is something that hold it to look like this. There is something that hold it. Okay, this one is outside what you design. It doesn't include your designing or whatever. It's just something that allow your website to look like this. Now, if you change the theme of this website, it will not look like this. Like for example now, if you check how this one is and check how this one is, if you check this one now, let's say you check this one, okay, I'll show you the difference. Have you seen how this one is? Have you seen how this one is? Then have you seen how this one is? They are not the same. Okay, I will show you another one. If you check like this one now, if you check this one now, if you check this one, then you will see that they look different. Okay, so looking different is because they use different theme. Okay, just hold on, I will show you how what themes is all about. Have you seen how this one looks? Have you seen the structure of this one? Have you seen the structure of this one now? Have you seen the structure of this one? So this one use another theme. So that theme is what gives this website to look like this. And this one now, it has another theme. That is why it looks like this. Then this one also has another theme. That is why it looks like this. So where do you see that theme? You get the theme from here. Okay, these are the structure. These are the structure, the theme that we are talking about. Okay, then you can edit it from here. Then if we go to plugins, plugins are the tools that you need to bring your website to a meaningful outcome. All right, that plugin is like tools that you use to get a meaningful result in your website. Okay, so these are the things that you can see as a plugin. Then the other one is users. So this user involves the people that are in charge of your website. Okay, the people that are managing your website. If the website is for you or you are building it for somebody, this is where you can add someone that will have access to the website. Then this tool is where you can also view available tools, import something outside to the website, or export something out from the website and all that. Then settings. This settings is where you can put the title of the website and the description of the website and others. All right, and also privacy, you set it. And this collapse menu, you can also check it out. All right, these are the things you can see on WordPress. Then if you don't want to allow your dashboard to look like this, then you can click here to put it in order. If you want to see the full menu of this area, then you can leave it like this. If you don't want to see the full menu of this area, then you click on here to collapse the menu. Okay, so these are the things you can see on WordPress dashboard. All right, so in my next tutorial, I will show you how to install WordPress. I will also show you how to install hosting, how to successfully register for hosting, install WordPress. Then from there, we can now start making our design using WordPress. All right, so if you find this video helpful, do it to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow on Facebook, and remember, in this website we'll always drop updates on things related to skills, tech tutorials, product review, resources, and accessories. So here you can also learn from Udemy from here, because we drop coupon code that you can use to learn, that you can use to enroll in any Udemy courses for free. All right, so we always drop it here. You can also join our WhatsApp group, WhatsApp channel. You can join for more updates. All right, so if you find this video helpful, do it or subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow on Facebook, drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.